Hello friends, welcome to Android Gateway tutorial how to get Robux for your Roblox account. I will show you step-by-step guide to do this. If you find this video helpful, then please consider to subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video as well. So without any delay, let's start. First of all, you need to open any browser in your PC. After opening the browser and in search bar, you need to open Roblox.com official website. So I open Roblox.com official website. First I search, then you need to open Roblox.com official website. So open this Roblox.com official website. Then here is the your Roblox account will be login. If you have not already logged on your Roblox account, then first you need to log in with your information on Roblox.com. After login with information, this your profile will be open on roblox.com/home. After doing this, then you need to click on this menu option. After clicking on this menu option, then you need to scroll down and click on Get Premium. After clicking on Get Premium, next page will be open, and here you buy Roblox for your Roblox account. Robux every month. How much Robux you want to use every month? Select plan according to your need. Here is the three different plan. Robux 450 per month, 1000 and 2200 per month. So select plan according to your need. For example, you want to buy this premium 1000 Robux each month. So select on subscribe no. After clicking on subscribe no, the next method is select a payment type. Here you information shown of your Roblox premium plan. You need to pay monthly $9.99 to use 1000 Robux per month. You also cancel this plan when you want. So after selecting the plan, then next step is select payment type. So there is 4 different options shown here: Visa, Discover and American Express credit card, debit card, PayPal, all Roblox card. So select payment method according to your card. So for example, I select first payment method, credit card option, and after selecting payment method, then click on continue. After clicking on continue, then next and last step is fill these information, your credit card number and credit card number, expiry date and CVC number. So put your information here and credit card number and this number as well. After filling all these information, then click on I authorize these term and condition, and here email to get these information of your plan. So fill out these information, enter your email address here. This is optional as well. So after filling all these information, then you need to click on pay on. After clicking pay now, your plan will be buyed and 1000 Robux will be added to your account, and you use these Robux as you want. So second method is also method to buy Robux for your Roblox account. First of all, I need to go this home page of roblox.com, and second method is to buy Robux for your Roblox account. Here is the menu bar, different option. Click on this Roblox option. After clicking on this Roblox option, here is this method you buy Robux as well. For example, if you want to buy 400 Robux, 800, 1700 and want more as value pack, Roblox is also provided. So select Robux how much you want. For example, you want to buy 800 Robux, click on 800, and here is the same method. Select payment method and then click on continue and fill out these information of payment method, credit card, debit card information. After filling out all these information, then click on pay now. So these are the two methods which you use to buy Robux on your Roblox account. So I hope this video is helpful for you, and if you find this video helpful, please considering subscribing my channel and liking the video as well. So this is the video for today. If you have any question related to this solution, then ask me in comment section. I will answer there. So this is the video for today. Thank you very much. See you soon in the next video.